It's a very humid, hot day in northwest Houston in the burbs of Cypress. And what you're looking at are 3 of 5 of my new high tunnels. 3 of 5 of them that are up. The other last 2 will go up next month. And as planned, everything's going according to schedule. And now I can place 3 of 5 of my new larger DIY solar powered aquaponic forms in each of these tanks. I mean, each of these high tunnels. There'll be 1 form per high tunnel. I also will have my dragon fruit in these high tunnels and my container fruit trees. And here comes the rain. So these got done right in time. It's starting to rain now. I don't know if you can hear the raindrops starting to come. Looking forward to getting the new forms, aquaponic forms in these greenhouses, getting them full of water, getting them cycled and with fish and with new growing food. I have 2 more to put up. I'll have a total of 5 high tunnels in my backyard. So I'm going to show, or I will be growing a lot of food in a small space. And with aquaponics, you can do that. So as the rain starts, it's been a good day. Progress, everything's on schedule. DIY aquaponics, DIY solar, DIY prepping. Because ain't nobody coming to save us.